Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're going to create the cage Solomon knot designed by Lenzen from the T.I.A.T altogether, so go ahead and check him on. For today's project we're going to need the 4-strand bracelet core with the 2 working ends, and tutorial how to create this you have in information cards in the top right corner of this video. Also, if you want to create this awesome bracelet, you can find it into the cards. The length of the paracord or dimensions you have in the description box down below this video. So that being said, we're going to continue. Sorry, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, so as you can see here, I fuse and join together this gray and pink paracord. Then I insert the separate cord of the pink, as you can see here, in these 2 cow's hitches on the left and the right side. I'm gonna return it to the place. Okay, and we're gonna start. The gray cord will be the leading cord, so it will go on top, and the pink on top of it, around, under, and to the loop on the left side. The basic Solomon knot. With those 2 pinks we're gonna insert it to the side, the left, like so, from here, and on this side also, and we're gonna lock it. And this will be our first weave of today's project. So now from here we're gonna take and again make the gray on top because it's the leading cord, and the pink on top of the gray to the back and around, and then through the loop on the right side. But from here we're gonna take the pink cords, we just make it into the sides, and then we're gonna pull those 2 cords from the back side through the middle of the bracelet core or the bracelet itself, and we're gonna make it to the side, like so. Now we're gonna pull it and we're gonna lock our knot or a weave, as you wish. Now from here, because you see here we have the V shape heading forward to the right side, now we're gonna need to get the pattern of this bracelet well. We're gonna pull these pink cords to the side, like so. So to the side here, as you can see, and then we're gonna twist it and make it from the back again through the middle, and we're gonna rest it to the side here. So we're gonna take again the gray paracord and we're gonna make it on top of the bracelet core, and the pink on top of the gray, around and through the loop on the left. And now pull it, and then pull the pink to tighten it well up, cinch it. And then with those 2 pink cords, around from the left side and through the middle, again through the top, like so. Now repeat the gray on top, the pink on top of the gray, to the back, around from the back side through the loop on the right. Now pull the pink tight, and continue. So now, as you can see, we reached the end. Now we're gonna tuck in the middle of the bracelet these 3 pink cords. So we're gonna start with the right strand cord. Now we're gonna cut off the excess cord. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. That being said, as always, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.